Warmth is probably the word that best defines this wide collection of lamps made with ceramic powder and fiberglass. They are all decorative pieces that, in addition to lighting, help dress up the space. Most can be placed on top of a table or even directly on the floor. Displaying the same piece in different sizes can also provide an interesting aspect. This is the case with the string balls, paper boats, whale tails, and different corals. Each are available in 2 or 3 different sizes. This year we have expanded the range of small lamps that use LEDs and batteries. Whale tail, shark fin, paper boats, shells and corals are great for any room. And for the wall, in addition to the existing sea stones, we have added 3 wall lights with a coral finish, whose edges are illuminated by a battery-powered LED strip. This produces a very welcoming effect.